most of the customers that actually experiment on Statsig end up running tests on users because that's typically the unit of experimentation. But there's a whole set of customers that experiment on other types of objects. So we have a last mile transportation company that has a large bike fleet across many countries. And one of the things they want to be able to test is when they're rolling out new firmware upgrades onto those bikes, they want to be able to see how that impacts lock and unlock rates on their bikes. And for that, they actually set up a custom ID on Statsig that is essentially the bike ID, so that allows them to run experiments on their bike fleet. Notion is another example of a customer that has end user experiments where they use the user ID to run experiments, but they also run experiments at the organization level. They want to be able to turn on features for a subset of the organizations and then understand how that impacts trial to paid conversion for those organizations, or even things like more core metrics like engagement across those organizations. They actually create the equivalent of an organization ID as a custom ID on Statsig, and then they're able to target these organizations as a whole with features that they're trying to test.